How to use BlueStacks in PC and laptop. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Click on My Games and all the games you have downloaded will appear in here. On right side, you will find all the settings for full screen, volume, screen recording option, webcam option, airplane mode, which will turn your app into do not disturb mode. After you have done that, simply you can also search apps on search bar on top. You can see search for games and apps. Simply search from there and download in BlueStacks app and play it from here. And this is how to use BlueStacks app on laptop and PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.